Alright, so for this first section, you're just going to play a C chord. So your index finger, first fret of the B, middle finger, second fret of the D, ring finger, third fret of the A. And you're going to go to a G chord. So middle finger will be third fret of the low E, ring finger, third fret of the B, pinky, third fret of the high E. And I usually just mute out the A with the bottom side of my middle finger. Then you're going to go to an A minor. So index finger, first fret of B, middle finger, second fret of D, ring finger, ring finger, second fret of the G. Alright, and then to an F chord. So index finger again, first fret of the B, middle finger, second fret of G, ring finger, third fret of the A, pinky, third fret of the D. And I usually just focus my strum on those 4 middle strings. So that's that first piece. Alright, then this second section, you're going to go G, A minor, F, G, A minor, F. Alright, so that part, it sounds like it's going from the C, the G, to the F, then it's going to go D minor, so we haven't done that one yet. Alright, so index finger, first fret of the high E, middle finger, second fret of the G, ring finger, third fret of the B. Alright, that's D minor. Then it's going to go to A minor, G, and then F, I believe. Alright, so that should be all the sections you need to play this song. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.